those who present are marching toward the Tipra motha. But this is under our meeting and resolve and decision taken that we all the committee will be from today onward will march toward the Tipra motha. And that's all. The demand of Tipra land or the greater Tipra land. It is the within Tipra land, and we only see under the leadership of our Guru, it is possible for getting our own demand. So we therefore, we Atisa, from today onwards, we dissolve, and all the committee that we have, 21 divisions comprising all Tripura, and the central committee, there are some included over here and some present. Here, working president Birola Nawatia, here SJS Ranjit Monsom, and SJS Rakesh Devarma, and central committee organizing secretary Kokendra Devarma. Here's organizing secretary Pancho Mohan Murasi and Budrai Devarma. And there are more due to some communication. দাদা প্রথমে বাংলাতে কইলে তারপরে বাংলা এটা ওয়ার্ড টু প্রেস I would like to hear my media friends, those who are present over here. Today, on behalf of the Atisa, with the central committee comprising with the 21 divisions all over Tripura, we have come to resolve unanimously in the last meeting that we will dissolve the Atisa, all Tripura student organizations and allied organizations of IPFT, and will march towards the Tipra motha under the banner of chairmanship of our Maharaja, Professor Manika Devarma. We, on behalf of the Atisa, we declare from today onwards, we will be working under the banner of Tipra motha, whereas there is no any conflictions between our organizations. We all know and we have understood the clear pictures of the past and present and futures